Welcome to a vibrant cosmopolitan, a melting pot of different cultures, and the mix of urban landscapes and natural beauty.
This is a city with diverse culinary scene, buzzing arts and entertainment industry, and a fast-paced lifestyle. Puno ng kulay at puno ng posibilidad. Dito, every second counts, and every choice matters.
Every heartbeat is one step closer to find that real and authentic connection.
Welcome to Hong Kong! The perfect backdrop for a love story waiting to happen.
Ako po si Juancho Trevino.
At ako naman si Don Chang.
Samahan niyo kami as we witness a one-of-a-kind search for love.
Dito sa pinakabagong Pinoy reality dating show set in Hong Kong. This is Love on the Clock!
6 single and ready-to-mingle Pinoy daters have flown all the way here for an unforgettable romantic adventure.
And together, they will explore and experience the beauty of Hong Kong.
And their ultimate goal, to find real and authentic connections, or better yet, find true love in this bustling metropolis.
But these daters are not just randomly selected. Ang hindi nila alam, they've already been paired by an AI matchmaking technology.
Gagana kaya yung AI matchmaking technology na yan? Or susundan pa rin nila ang tunay na tinitibok ng kanilang mga puso?
Well, yan ang ating kwentong susubaybayan.
Now, let's meet the daters.
Hi everyone! Ako nga pala si Ron Angeles, 27 years old, ang maginoong sutil. I've been single for almost 2 years, I think. Gusto ko lang maramdaman yung normal na kilig kasi namimiss ko na siya, so baka nandito na yun sa Hong Kong, baka dito ko matagpuan. Nung nakapasok nga ako dun sa room, sabi ko, wow, ang ganda ng setup ah. Yung mga type ko kasi talaga, gusto ko yung mga thick girls.
Hi everybody, I'm Danny B. I'm 25 years old and I am a firm believer that you should flirt with intentions and lend responsibly.
I have been single for 7 years.
I need a man who would lead me. And feeling ko kasi I have a very strong personality, so kailangan yung lalaki secure siya sa sarili niya. Hopefully, in Hong Kong, I could be my most authentic self.
Like exploring Hong Kong and literally exploring my feelings and just delving in, you know, diving in.
Ready na ako mag-dive! The moment I step foot in the social house, syempre kinabahan ako.
I saw a man sitting down.
Syempre, hindi ko lang gagawin ko. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay fine, cute siya. Say hi.
I think so. How are you?
Okay.
It was kind of cute. Pretty boy, pretty boy.
Nung nakita ko si Danny, talagang tinignan ko siya na mabuti.
What's your name?
Ron.
Ron.
Yeah.
I'm Danny.
Nice to meet you. Danny?
Yes.
Hi, I'm John Marie Angeles. I'm 27 years old. Hopeless romantic. Almost 3 years na ako single, na official. Ngayon, wish ko na ma-experience ko yung Hong Kong. Ma-experience kong makipag-date sa Hong Kong. Nung pagdating ko, nung arrival, ina-expect ko, chance ko na makamit ng bagong tao. Ito na yun eh. Walang iya, parehas kilala ko pa.
Bro, what the frick are you doing here?
Ilang trabaho na yung napagsamahan namin ni Jom. Ilang taon na rin kami magkatropa.
Yeah, tol.
John Marie po.
Ron, pare. Kaya sobrang saya ako nung nakita ko yung kaibigan ko nandito sa amin. Oo, ayos ah.
Hi, Danny.
Hello.
We worked before. Kala namin una magkapatid kami. Yeah.
Hello,
Hello, my name is Victoria. I'm 26. Hindi ako pa bebe. Feeling ko chill lang ako na dater. I've been single for almost a year now. Green flag yung mga smart. Okay lang sa akin pag shy and straightforward na tao. And decisive or organized. Kasi hindi ako ganun. Pagpasok ko doon, medyo nag-expect ako medyo sa guys. Tapos pag nung na-meet ko sila, medyo na-disappoint ako ng konti.
Hi. Hello.
Hi. Victoria.
Ron.
Hi, Ron.
Jom.
Jom.
Jomari, hello.
Danny. Victoria. Hi. You're so pretty. Pero okay lang naman.
Hello guys, my name is Paulo Laurel. I'm 25 years old and I can never seem to love right, but I believe the only way you can love right is by loving. So I've been single for about 6 months or more. Actually, I came here na wala akong ini-expect eh. Parang I came here as an open book. Gusto kong makilala yung sarili ko lalo sa pag-date kasi it's actually been a while since last na nakipag-date ako, kaya here I am.
Hey.
Good morning. Is it morning?
I don't know.
Polo.
Danny.
Jomari. Ron, pare.
Polo.
Hi, Victoria.
Polo. Ay! Wait lang! Kasi,
Hi, I'm Pupa. I'm 25 years old, and a brief description of me as a dater is that I'm very honest for my own good. I am straight to the point. If I hate you, if I like you, it's not like I'll tell you, but my face will tell you. I have been single for 5 years now, and what I'm looking for in a guy is fun to be with. That's very shallow, but I want someone who I can figure out life with. Now that I'm here in Hong Kong, actually I don't want to expect anything. I want everything to be a surprise.
Hey.
Hi.
What up, bro?
Stop.
Yeah,
I was kind of nervous, but when I saw a familiar face, I was kind of like, hi, salamat.
Parang cute to si Pupa. Like physically, ito yung type ko.
Jomari.
Pupa.
Ron.
Pupa.
Hi.
Tapos nung nagsalita na siya, tumayo siya, binati niya si Paul. What's up, Tol? Pak! Binati. Uy, parang, grabe, mas ang tegas nito ah. Ang tegas nito magsalita ah. Sabi ko,
Mag? Okay, girl, instructs. So this is how it starts. To my podcast. I love your outfit. Thank you. So Y2K.
Medyo naging awkward pa kami. Like, we didn't know what to do, we didn't know how to interact. And I feel like nagkakapaan pa talaga kami. Like, there's shyness there.
Hello, daters. Hi.
Morning.
Umpisahan na natin ang inyong first mission. Agad. We're not wasting time here.
Wait lang, hindi pa kami magkakakilala. Bakit may mission agad? When we were already complete, then dumating si Juancho and si Don.
Hello, daters. How are you? Hello.
Hi, daters. Kamusta kayo? How's your trip going here?
Sabi naman.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Yes, welcome to Hong Kong indeed. At itong area natin na to, this is called the Social House. So this is where you guys will be spending the next few days. So anong goal natin dito sa Social House? To find meaningful connections with each other.
That's right. Pero magagawa niyo lamang yan kapag meron kayong love points.
Love points are convertible into minutes which you can spend speaking exclusively with another fellow dater of your choice.
I feel like these points would symbolize our intentions in this game or in this show.
Kumbaga, parang yung sa love points naman, yun yung pinaka-way mo para to connect personally dun sa taong gusto mo.
You guys will be able to earn love points by doing missions here in the beautiful city of Hong Kong. Kaya galingan nyo guys, kapag nanalo kayo, mananalo kayo ng points and also a date.
That's right. At itong hawak ko, daters, ay ang tinatawag nating love meters. Dito nyo matatrack kung ilan na ba ang love points na meron kayo. You can start wearing them. Here you go.
Medyo na-confuse ako nung una eh, parang hindi ko siya nagigets. Pero nung nagets ko na siya, parang naging competitive ako. Gusto ko mag-earn ng love points bigla.
Well, with that, umpisahan na natin ang inyong first mission. Yeah? Agad-agad! No. We're not wasting time here.
Wait lang, hindi pa kami magkakakilala. Bakit may mission agad? But like, I felt, or like I thought na, nga naman, love on the clock. We're not wasting time here. So, let's get to the first mission.
Okay, so I have in my hand your mission envelope. Nandito nakalagay sa loob ang clue kung ano ang gagawin ninyo at kung saan tayo magkikita next.
To the honors.
Good luck, guys.
Wala kayong no choice. All right. Daters, we'll see you there. Bye-bye.
Mission 1, Love Locked. Your first mission will happen in one of the must-see destinations here in Hong Kong, Victoria Peak. Okay, situated 552 meters above sea level, this romantic place offers iconic views of the city day and night. Tamang-tama para sa mga nagsisimula ng bagong kwento ng pag-ibig.
First mission, di ba? Kaya hindi ako nagpe-pay attention sa binasa ni Danny. Tapos, wala, parang ina-absorb ko ng lahat. Pero nakalimutan ko yung sinabi niya kasi parang na-overwhelm ako sa nangyayari.
May nakalagay sa likod, sasayaw si Ron. Oo ba? Go, let's go!
E di yun, after kami ma-instruct ng host, sumakay kami ng van.
Hindi kami pwede maging partners ni Polo.
Okay, fine.
Hashtag pupo. Pupa and Polo.
Ang pangit ng pupo.
Pupo.
That would work. Nakita
May
mo
bet
mukha
pa kayo?
mo nung pumasok si Paul.
Uy, hindi. Nakita mo mukha ko kasi feeling ko familiar siya. Yun lang yun. Bet mo siya, no? Hindi, sa kanilang tatlo. Siya kasi yung pinaka-masculine. Gusto mong wingman mo. Mas bet ko yun. Wala pa akong wala pa akong masabi.
Physically, si Paul.
Physically.
Kasing mo babal.
Oo, mukha siyang ganun. May energy siyang ganun. Pero hindi ko siya super bet.
Okay,
Yours
thank you,
na.
Jesus.
Yours na.
Thank you, Jesus.
Parang ano siya eh.
Ang tanong, sino gusto?
Ito gusto ko marinig. Polo, di ba? Polo. Ikaw, merong ano.
Ano sa tingin
Ano impression mo?
Happy ka, ganyan. Happy ako. So far, lahat naman cute.
Siyempre, all boys, boy talk na yan.
So, yan, napag-usapan namin yung girls, syempre first impressions, and na-mention ko rin sa kanila na I found everyone cute.
Ugly naman kayo, di ba? Cute naman lahat. Oo naman. Ikaw, Joe.
Okay naman. Ako kasi kilala ko na si Danny.
Yung pangalawang pumasok. Oo. Nilaglag ka na ito. Okay.
No, kasi si Jom talaga. Magkakilala kami kasi we were part of a parang dating event before. Kami yung couple doon. We already met each other before at a speed dating event and it was so fun. Kami nanalo.
Tapos?
Tapos parang during the event, parang friendly siya. Tapos after the event, parang
iba yung
he hates me! Yeah!
Hindi, okay. We're naman.
I feel like na I need to unpack something with him. Polo, dibs.
First time mo siya ma-meet today.
Here, hello?
Oo. Okay, gets.
Si Danny, bet na bet niya si Polo.
Parang kilig ako nun kay Polo kasi nga, very mysterious man and he's so tall. And he looks like he fixes himself. He looks so bango. I feel like that moment pa lang, sabi ko, dapat I need to win a game and I need to go out on a date with him.
I feel like their van is so quiet. Feel ko si Joma.
Hindi, ganito lang yan sila, bro. So, sino bang gusto mo, bro?
Bakit? Sino ba yung gusto mong makapartner?
Ayun na nga ang tanong, Brad.
Oo, bakit? Hindi, ikaw, ano muna opinion mo?
Ayun na. Okay naman yung kanina, tol.
Pero yung, first impression, sino tumatak sa'yo?
Ano sila, equal sila lahat.
Sa akin si Pupa, matagal ko nakakilala, naka-love team ko rin yun sa isang commercial naman.
Kasi yung body nila parang close na close eh.
Oo.
Parang may something, no?
Oo. Sino yung mo na sa first impression?
First impression,
Sino trip mo doon? Na-tripan mo?
Mahirap eh. Mahirap pa masabi. Medyo ang bilis ng oras natin kanina eh.
Oo sige.
Baka pagkatapos na ito, masasagot ko na kayo. Teka lang, sa'yo tol, sino pinaka-tumatak?
Kung physical, baka si Pupa.
Ano ba type mo ulit?
Koreano.
Alam masungit na.
Malakas ba personality ni Pupa?
Lakas personality, no? Pag may
Sex
gustong
appeal.
sabihin yun, sinasabi na. Straight to the point.
Ay, sarap tropa noon pag ganun, tol.
Ikaw naman lahat, tinotropa zone mo eh.
Bakit? Saan ba tayo papunta? Eh, di ba doon tropa muna?
Ganun yung galawan mo. Tropa muna.
Tropa muna.
Sige, master.
So, mas maganda tropa muna kayo. Kilalanin mo mabuti, Brad. Kaya nga tagal mo na rin single, di ba?
May pag-atake pag ganun eh. Oh.
Wait nga, ano yung mission? Yung nakaraan lang naalala ko eh.
Saan ba tayo papunta, Tad?
Victoria.
Hi, daters!
Hello! Welcome to Victoria P.
Alam mo yung ginagawa nito?
Ano?
She paints.
What do you usually paint? Maple.
And their paintings are so nice. There's always pink.
Uy, pumunta siya sa exhibit.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, meron ka pang jowa.
Na-meet mo ba siya?
Yeah, pinakilala mo.
Na-meet ko rin siya sa LU.
O, diba? Kamukha niya si Paolo Avellino. Hindi siya agree, pero girl, promise.
Paolo Avellino na mas Asian.
The eyes, oo. Singkit kasi si... First boyfriend mo?
Hindi. Pero siya yung parang
Best ex.
How many exes have you had?
2 lang. Pero siya yung, siya yung parang okay.
Ikaw ba?
Ikaw ba? 1 ka lang?
One.
Ikaw?
1.5. Siya.
When did you break up?
4 years ago.
Yeah. Ang tagal! 5 years.
Yeah.
7 years ako. So long.
Tanggal sa kanya, 7 years.
7 years ago?
Yeah, dude. I was high school. Nag-break kami before first year college. Before first year college kami.
Gano'ng katagal ka na single?
Mga 6 months. O 7 months na ata ngayon. Ikaw?
Tagal na yung last na official ko. Dating show muna ako.
Official ko, magto 2 years na.
Yung official?
Ako
din 3 years.
Pero dumating din ba sa point sa inyo na parang hindi kayo ready?
Oo naman. Nangyari din yung mga ganong situation.
Pero perfect yung babae I mean, lahat na inaanap mo sa babae, nasa kanya.
Yun yung ex ko eh.
Oh!
Perfect na sana siya eh, pero hindi pa ako ready. Ready na siya magkaanak. Ako, pinifigure out ko pa lahat. Finances, emotional balance, lahat. So,
Gano'ng katagal ba kayo na to?
5 years.
Tagal din.
Tagal din.
Actually, lahat ng relationship ko matagal. Yung isa naman, 5 years and a half.
Kung matagalan pala to sa polo eh. 5 years?
Ikaw ano ba pinakamatagal mo?
3 ako eh. Ikaw?
2 ako.
Sino ba nakapag-break?
Siya. For 5 years siya na nakipag-break.
Mira, may tissue ba?
Parang ano na to? Ang bilis eh, no?
May pause na yung salita eh. May pause na eh. May pausing na eh.
Well, siya rin kasi yung pinaka-recent. And siya rin yung pinaka-minahal ko talaga na ex ko. Kaya medyo malaki yung impact sa akin ng taong yun. In a very, very good way.
Wait, ano yung mission? Nung nakaraan lang naalala ko eh.
Saan ba tayo pupunta, Tal?
Victoria. Nakapunta na ba kayo doon?
Hindi pa.
Parang nakapunta na ako doon.
Ako nakapunta na rin ako doon. Actually, malaking part ng family ko yung place na yun. Kasi nung bata kami, lagi kami pumupunta doon eh. I used to spend a lot of time with my family here. Especially for Christmas. And sorry, gusto ko lang shoutout din yung stepfather ko. Yung Victoria Peak, lagi namin pinupuntahan yun. Actually, merong trail doon na pwede mong i-hike. Kaya sobrang daming memory sa akin doon.
Oh, ano to? Ito pala yung peak trail.
We are here.
I'm so excited.
Oh my... Hold on. Careful. Oh my God. It's not... Here, straight. Thank you.
Sige, ingat kayo ha. Dito na kayo.
Thank you
Ay! Jackie Chan, no?
I feel like a kid.
Ganda, grabe. Brings back memories.
Yung lugar, sobrang ganda. Na-appreciate namin yung ganda. Tsaka yung infrastructure talaga ng Hong Kong.
Okay, so when we got there, we got up, tapos andun ulit si Kuya Wancho tsaka si Ate Dawn.
Hi, daters!
Hello! Daters, welcome to Victoria Peak. Dito magaganap ang inyong first mission and we will call it Love Locked.
Bibigyan ng locked box ang bawat dater. Kailangan nilang ma-decode ang number para mabuksan ito.
Pag nabuksan, kailangan naman nilang mahulaan ang tamang salita gamit ang combination ng mga letter cubes sa loob.
First girl dater and the first boy dater that figures out the number combination and the word will win an exclusive date and also love points.
That's right.
Nag-iisip na ako agad nun kung ano yung gagawin ko.
Ito na yun, game mode. This is it. Game na.
So if you were paying attention to the mission envelope that we gave you kanina, nandun sana yung clue.
Nandun ako, katabi ko si Danny. Like, binabasa ko rin habang binabasa niya. Hindi ko nakita yung, nasan yung number na yun?
May number ba dun kanina?
Meron!
Don't ask me.
May kinalaman pala dun sa pinabasa sa aming envelope. Eh, hindi ako masyadong nakikinig. Tapos hindi ako, parang walang pumapasok sa utak ko kasi si Danny yung nag-read.
May number ba dun?
Alright, daters, are you ready?
Yes!
Yeah, go. Okay. Your clock starts now.
Dami nito.
Number ba yun?
Hulang-hula na lang ako. At least lahat talaga ng number combination, tinatry ko na.
Nabukas mo na?
Nakalimutan ko yung binasa ni Danny. Ako hindi ko talaga narinig.
Akyat bahay things.
It's not 143!
Paano pag walang nakahula sa amin?
Kayang-kaya niyo yan. Naniniwala kami sa inyo para sa pagbibigyan. Para sa
Sobrang dami.
Grabe na to. Kaya ba? Kaya ba today?